What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I've been blowing up YouTube lately with videos. I got the truck and the rims put on that. Got the muffler delete coming soon, but I just want to give it a little update. The Hellcat is finished. Rear diff brace is going on tomorrow, since it just got there today. And then I am picking it up Friday afternoon. So thank God it's about time. It's been forever. I got a little sound clip of it. Don't judge the quality because I couldn't get the video to upload from the email and all this other blah, blah, blah shit. So I had to record it off my computer screen. So I'm sorry about that, guys. But I'm going to post it anyway so you get a little small similar taste. I asked him to send me the dyno videos that he has. So I've been trying to post those up on this video as well. If not, you'll get plenty of highway pulls and shit coming home, because it is a 3 to 3.5 hour to 4 hour drive from his shop to my place, depending on traffic, and usually traffic is absolute horse shit. So you already know how that's going to go. I'm going to try my best to go racing Friday night. I got a couple, well, I called out a shit ton of people. I called out 3 GTRs, LS swapped Lexus on nitrous, a bolt-on C7 Corvette. I'll post pictures of all those, and you can tell me in the comments from the pictures, how do you think the races are going to go, who do you think is going to win, and so on. And I'll post those videos up, because I'm not a queer like a lot of people and don't post races I lose. I race for fun. Unless you talk shit, then we race for money. I am racing the one Corvette for 500. I made that bet when I was a little bit wasted. Oh well. But hey, from what I've seen and what I've heard, I should beat them. All I gotta do is hook, and I should get that. So that should be, as long as I get enough seat time, I'll get an easy 500. That's going down the 24th. And then I'm getting ready for all the big stuff coming up in Pompano. I'm going back for the Racing Channels event. I'm going to race their Hellcat, and hopefully drag time 720, that should be there. Then I'm going to Bradenton for FL2K coming up, and that'll be fun. But I'll post those videos and everything. I got a clip from tx2k from Tuesday night. I'll post that up for you. A couple GTRs, some Vets, Mustang, BMW, that kind of stuff. I'll post that. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Big shit's coming. Till next time.